Hostel review. Meininger Munich Olympiapark, Munich. I book all of my hostel accommodations through the Hostel World app. As you can see, here's a list of hostels that I've stayed in, as well as the dates that I stayed there. So my reviews are honest and real. Today I'll be reviewing the Meininger Munich Olympiapark in Munich, Germany. I stayed there from June 10th to June 13th. I'll go down to categories with Hostel World allowing me to rate each category out of 5 stars. The first category is security. As part of the Meininger network, Meininger Munich Olympiapark is more of a hotel than a hostel. It has security cameras in all common areas, and access to the individual floors and dorms requires a key card. There were provisions to lock up larger items with reception if needed. The entire hostel felt safe and secure. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The second category is location. Meininger Munich Olympiapark is located just south of Munich Olympiapark at the crossroads of Dachauer Strasse and Landshuter Allee. Heading north on Landshuter Allee leads to Munich Olympiapark, and heading south on Dachauer Strasse leads to the old quarter of Munich. There is a tram just outside of the hostel. The neighborhood surrounding has a lot of green space, and walking towards the old town there are many cool restaurants on Dachauer Strasse. Heading west will lead to Schloss Nymphenburg, and heading east will lead to the Englische Garten. It is a 45-minute walk to Munich Hauptbahnhof. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The third category is staff. Meininger Munich Olympiapark staff are mainly university students, but are well versed in hospitality and are genuinely friendly. They took time to make sure to answer any of my questions about navigating throughout Munich and the best places to visit in Munich during that time. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fourth category is atmosphere. It was very easy to meet people in Meininger Munich Olympiapark. The reception had a waiting area for travelers to meet. The cafe, kitchen, and dining area were also hot spots for travelers to meet and mingle, and there were always people around to chat to. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fifth category was cleanliness. The dorms were cleaned throughout every morning, and the majority of the common areas were cleaned as well. Unfortunately, the kitchen and dining area was an absolutely filthy mess with flies, dirty dishes, and rubbish was not removed for the duration of my entire stay. I did not even want to store my drinks in the communal fridge. Overall, a 3 out of 5. The sixth category is value for the money. I paid €50 a night to stay. That was including taxes and Hostel World fees. Given that Munich, the capital of Bavaria, is a premium destination in an expensive country, I was not surprised that the price of accommodations here were higher than many of the other cities I had visited previously. However, given the facilities provided by Meininger Munich Olympiapark, as well as its location, I understood that the price was more than fair. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The final category is facilities. As part of the Meininger network, Meininger Munich Olympiapark had everything a traveler would need. The dorms were large and well lit with natural sunlight. The beds were a good size with great support. The en-suites are separated by a bathroom or a washroom with a communal sink. There is a laundry service available. The breakfast is also an incredible value. The Wi-Fi is excellent in all areas and everything works as it should. The kitchen and dining area, despite being absolutely filthy, was available and fully functional. Overall, a 4 out of 5. My overall review on Hostel World is 7.7 out of 10, and I would not change that at all. My review is as stated on Hostel World. Another great Meininger hostel. The dorms are spacious, the in-suite bathrooms are large, the beds are a good size and comfortable. Laundry service is handy as well. Breakfast was a great value and the staff are friendly. The location is convenient, although not walking distance to the old quarter. The only downside was the kitchen was filthy with flies and overfilled dirty dishes. Overall, a great experience here in Munich, and I recommend staying here. Like all of my reviews, I either recommend something or I don't. Regarding Meininger Munich Olympiapark, I recommend staying here.